Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration how to buy FlixBus ticket in Europe. FlixBus is the biggest franchisee in United States of America and European country. This is original headquarter available on Munich city, and this is a German company, a German brand, and that one is amazing experience of traveling using FlixBus in within a Europe. So I'm traveling number of time using FlixBus, and that my experience is amazing. Quite today I create this video. Today I take a bus like in Naples to Rome city, so that's why I'm creating this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, open your browser and just type FlixBus, and first URL is display here. I'm putting this link in video description as well. So look at this. This is a FlixBus website portal. So right now I log in my ID because of I'm using several of time in this particular application. So here I'm showing you my journey using FlixBus in Europe, like Odense to Copenhagen airport, Copenhagen to Odense, Paris to Amsterdam, Amsterdam to Odense, Vienna to Budapest. So I'm using several of time the FlixBus, and the FlixBus price is very cheap actually. So how to book ticket? Like suppose for example I book the ticket nowadays Paris to Amsterdam, and just I'm selecting date. Suppose today 30 December. Search, so bus is available or not. So bus is available. So different varieties are available. Bus is available like 34 euro, 38 euro. Some buses are morning 9 o'clock, 38 euro, 34, 32. Cheapest price this one. You can buy this ticket in 8-hour journey. So definitely you reach on 8 hours. This journey you reach on 7:45 hours only accordingly, and you hire in a flight. So flight ticket is a more than or less than accordingly. But during using flight ticket you definitely reach 2 hours. City center to Paris airport is a very high distance are available. 1 hours to city center to Paris airport, and then take flight and then reach Amsterdam airport, and then again hire one metro and then reach Amsterdam city center. So time duration are same using this one. That one is amazing. So suppose for example I reserve this ticket, I click here and simply process the payment. Some additional information also available. You can carry your luggage in like a 7 kg, 20 kg, but no such kind of restriction. Accordingly you can buy 20 kg 2 luggages and 1 7 kg luggages. They are not asking you this is a additional luggage and all. So that one is a best option. Some contact information you are adding here and just process to payment. So your ticket is a book very simply. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.